Oh man, oh man, oh man. Yes, sir, yes, sir, yes, sir. Back again with another video. Man, no elimination to the top, and we ain't gonna stop. Man, this one's right here for Jennifer. She told me to react to this. She probably didn't think I was gonna do it, but yes, I'm doing it right now, Jennifer. So make sure everybody smash the like button and everything, and go buy some merch and join the Patreon. You know what I'm saying? This will be in the description down below. And if you want to buy merch, yes, go on the channel and go to the store, bro. It's right there. You know what I'm saying? But hey, what's good, nation? King Twon, aka No Limit Twon, here back again with another reaction video. You feel me, man? Hey, bro, today I'm bringing the Arctic Monkeys Do I Wanna Know live. I don't think she wanted me to react to the live version, but I thought that it would be better too. So that's what I'm bringing to y'all today. So make sure y'all smash the like button for me right now. Subscribe to the channel if you are new. Ooh, excuse me, man. Let's get right to it. Oh man. That's a guitar, right? Because sometimes if they shape different, I'll be kind of like confused. You know what I'm saying? I'm sorry. That's just me.
Have you got color in your cheeks? You ever get that feel that you can't shift the tide that sticks around like summits in your teeth? And some aces up your sleeve. Have you no idea that you're in deep? I dreamt about you nearly every night this week. How many secrets can you keep? 'Cause there's this tune I found that makes me think of you somehow, and I play it on repeat.
Hold on. I'm sorry, y'all. I'm going to something right now. I just have to see really fast. I gotta see. All right, bet. I'm ready. I'm sorry.
Can you keep? 'Cause there's this tune I found that makes me think of you somehow, and I play it on repeat until I fall asleep, spilling drinks on my settee. If this feeling flows both ways, sort of hoping that you'd stay. That the nights were mainly made for saying things that you can't say tomorrow day. Crawling back to you.
I'm sorry, y'all. I'm looking at lyrics right now. I'm just trying to follow along with the song to make sure I'm not missing anything. You know what I'm saying? But hey, if y'all wonder why I keep doing this, yes, I'm looking at lyrics. Y'all can see it right there. Yes, lyrics.
The nights were mainly made for saying things that you can't say tomorrow day. Crawling back to you. Ever thought of calling when you've had a few? 'Cause I always do. Well, maybe I'm too busy being yours to fall for somebody new. Now I thought it through, crawling back to you. So have you got the goods? Been wondering if your heart's still open, and if so, I wanna know what time it should. Simmer down and poker up. I'm sorry to interrupt, it's just I'm constantly on the coast. I've tried and to kiss you. I don't know if you.
What is his nationality? I feel like he's from somewhere else, because I see the lyrics, it sound like cups, like things that I'm not like familiar with at all, like cups. He said something about his settee. Yes, I don't know what none of that means, so that's how I know that he's, you know, not from the US. So y'all let me know where he's from, you know.
Feel the same as I do, but we could be together if you wanted to.
Man, I like that. I definitely like that. I guess it was kind of. That's why I want to know what is their nationality. Actually, I'm gonna look it up now. I just feel like their sound is kind of different, you know, than their regular. Like just like literally at the end, it kind of like sounded like they were kind of picking up the pace. You know what I'm saying? So yes, this is an English rock band. Okay, so that's how I know. I'm like, okay, now I see. Especially the things that he was saying, it wasn't clicking with. I'm like, I don't know what none of this means. Then I was like, oh, okay, yeah, he's definitely from a different place outside the U.S. So yes, okay, I see what they're about. I definitely see what they're about. English rock band, yes, Alex Turner, Jamie Cook, Nick O'Malley. I got a friend named O'Malley, and Matt Helders. Okay, and they say Andy Nicholson left the band in 2006, shortly after their debut. Okay, yeah, man. Okay, if they got some more, I mean, I definitely see some more heat right here. Why'd you only call me when you're high? Now that might be interesting, man, because I used to hate that people only call me when they were high or like under the influence of anything, you know. So that might be an interesting reaction right there, just depending on what is he saying, you know what I'm saying, man. But hey, man, if y'all like that reaction, make sure you smash the like button for me right now. Subscribe to the channel and all that good stuff, man. Until the next reaction.
Know how I'm rocking, you know that I'm with it. You loyal to me, I make sure that you get it. If you want it, you got it. You know how I'm rocking.